In this section of the tutorial, I want to share with you how to use the find and replace function in Microsoft Excel. Most of the time, I share tips and tricks on how to use different functions on Microsoft Excel. But I noticed I often forget this find and replace, which is very powerful as regards helping you to be much more effective and helping you to edit your content or your document or your data in a very nice way. So today we are going to take a look at it. How do we find a particular word or a particular data and replace it with a particular data? So to do that, all you need to do is to start by coming to the home tab, and you come all the way down here to find and select. Okay, you click on the drop down and you can see find, replace, and you can see go to and go to special. All right, but for today we are going to consider find and replace. So you just come to replace over here, you click on it, and you can see that you have this dialog, this pop-up. So you find what and replace with what. This is just as easy as it is. You find what and replace with what. So for example, this spreadsheet, we have this name Montemoris. Montemoris is reflected 3 times on this spreadsheet, and I want to replace it. Let's say the name is not spelled correctly, and I want to replace it with Saminu Ali. I want to replace all of them with Saminu Ali. All I need to do is to type what I want to find. Okay, so let's say Montemoris and replace with what? So I want to replace it with Saminu Ali on all. Okay, so once I click on replace all, it's going to replace it. Okay, so you can find, for example, let's say find all, and you can see the first one, you can see the second one, and you can see the third one. It has just highlighted all of them. So find next, you can see find next, you can see it has highlighted all the 3. All right, so let's say we replace all with Saminu Ali. So we click replace all, and it will tell you all done. We made 3 replacements. All right, so the 3 replacements have been replaced with Saminu Ali in all cases. So this is the first case. Actually, this is one of the key things that we can do with find and replace, but this is not the only thing we can do. Find and replace is actually much more powerful than just replacing a word or a letter or a given data within a spreadsheet or within a document. You can do far much more than that. So you have these options over here, which signifies more features on this very find and replace. So we just click on it, and you can see that you can even go beyond find and replace of words or data to even formats. For example, we want to replace these cells that have yellow fill colors in them. Okay, this 1 2 3 4 cells that have been filled in with yellow colors. Okay, we want to replace them with maybe a green color or a no color at all. So let's say we go to find and replace, and we can just come easily, and we can come to format over here, and we can come to format, and we can check the bunch of formats, either numbering or fonts or alignments or border or fill. But for this case, we are going for fill. So we select the color we are targeting, yellow color, and we say okay, and we want to replace it with another color. So let's go over here and maybe replace it with a given color. So let's say we want to replace it with this color, right? So we click on OK, and we can see it's going to find this color and replace it with this color. So we can say replace all, and you can see it all done. We made 4 replacements. Okay, so you can see it has made 4 replacements. So it's actually quite easy to use, and it's very fantastic to have the feature with you, and you can easily use it to work professionally with different kind of cells. Okay, so you can identify cells. Okay, one last advantage of this find and replace that I want to share with us is that, assuming we have seen a color and we don't know exactly what color is it, but we want to replace it with a no color, or we want to normalize it at a given point, we can do that as well. So all you need to do is to still come to find and replace. You come to replace, and you can come all the way to format. You can click the drop down, but instead of clicking on format this time around, you click on choose format from a cell. So you click on format from a cell, and you can go to that cell and just click on it, and you can see the preview of the color in that cell. And then you can come to replace with. You can come over here, and maybe we choose format from a cell as well. So let's say we want to replace it with something like this, so no color at all. So once you click on replace all, you see all done. We made 3 replacements. Okay, so it's as easy as that. This feature is extremely simple, but it's extremely powerful in terms of helping you to analyze your data and to kind of arrange or edit your data accordingly. So feel free to try it, feel free to use it, and let me know what you think about it in the chat box. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, please remember to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to always hit the subscribe and notification buttons to stay connected to this channel for more of our very useful videos. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.